Hello, Shirley-Dill Brothers Elementary. My name is Travis C., and I teach math and science here at Shirley-Dill Brothers Elementary. And today I'm going to show you how to help your child at home with the STAR test. So go into Google, and the first thing that you're going to type in is Texas Assessment. So once you get on here, you're going to want to go to texasassessment.gov. So on this website is where students can log in and practice the STAR at home. The very first thing I want you to do is click on Students and Families. Once you click on Students and Families, if you scroll down, right here is where I want you to focus on. Right here is STAR Release Test Questions. So from previous STAR tests, you can look, there's 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. So they also have math and reading. We do not want you to use the 2022 test, but anything 2021, you can use those to help your child at home, but please do not use the 2022 because we use those type of questions for CBAs. So that is, you can help your child there. And if you click on it, it is the released STAR test from previous years, as you can see. Now, where we're gonna go to use the platform that the students will use is right here, right above it. That's where we just clicked on STAR Release Test. Now we're going to practice test online. When you do that, you will scroll down just a little bit. It'll be a green button that says sign in. You're going to click sign in. And then it says your test. We are going to want to click on 3rd grade. Now, there is new item type questions, so please make sure that you click on STAR New Item Types. Now you have your reading at the top. You also have math down below. So I'm going to click on math. It's going to ask you for some new item types, so we do not get to use a calculator, so please make sure that is turned off. If your child does get the accommodation of auto text-to-speech, you can turn that on for them. Please get with your child's teacher if they do have that accommodation. If you keep on scrolling down, you're going to click on select. Then you can, don't change anything here. Begin test now. So now this is where it's going to load in, and this is how the STAR test is going to look for the students when they actually take the STAR. Please go over with your child just like your teacher will in class or has done so already, where there's a ruler and there's different things up here that the students can use. But this will just get them used to just the item type questions when they take the STAR. If you have any questions, just reach out to your teacher. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye-bye.